Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. For today's video, we're going to talk about how to benchmark your computer or your GPU. For this video, we will be introducing two main applications that you might be interested in downloading in order for you to benchmark your GPU. So the first one is MSI Combustor. It's free to download right here. It's easy to download. You can check it out on msicombustor.com. And the second one is Passmark software. So Passmark software again is free to download. You can download the older versions or you can download the versions that can best suit your application. So it's perfect for either Windows, Linux, Mac, and even for your phone, Android and iOS. It works all the same. So it's free license for standard tests. And of course, if you want to do some advanced tests, that you'll have to pay for. But for this video, we're going to use the free license or the standard test. So upon opening the application, right here, this is the main interface that we will be getting. Right here is our CPU, GPU. So to benchmark, simply click on Run Benchmark and then click on Yes. And that's it. It'll now run the test on your computer, which may take a bit or a few minutes of your time, but definitely worth it in order for you to know the status of your GPU. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.